Hi, good morning children. Welcome back to your studies children. In the previous videos, we have completed 1 and 2 chapters children in the course book. Now today I am going to explain activity book. Open activity book children. Open page number 6. Fifth page is already over children. Now sixth page. Observe the object in each box and paste the sticker of the object which is of the same shape. Laddu. Laddu is like a spear. 1 rupee coin. It is like a circle. Clock also like a circle. Bottle. Bottle is like a cylinder. Gift box. It is like a cube. Slate. Slate is like a rectangle. Duster. Duster is like a cuboid. Egg. Egg is like a oval. Ice cream cone. It is like a cone. Hanger. Hanger is like a, how is hanger? Like a triangle. Chessboard. Chessboard is like a square. Now, here you have to paste the stickers children. Stickers are available in the last page in your activity book children. Take out that page and paste like this children. Okay. Now come to the next page. Observe the given objects carefully and shade their front, side and top views in the square grids given below. Here are some pictures children. You have to draw or shade the views of that objects. I already done here. You also do like this children. Shade with the pencil carefully children. Now come to the page number 8 children. View the arrangement of cubes and answer the following. Which of the following figures represent the top view and front view of the solid figure? Here is a figure children. They are asking the top view and front view. There are two options A and B. Observe children. Here how many square grids are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Look here. Same like. But here there are 5 grids. So A is the correct option. Come to the next one. Identify the side view and top view of this figure. Side view and top view. This is the front view children. Side view. 1, 2, 3. 3 grids are visible here. So where? In the B option. So B is the correct option here. Observe the next two children. Which of the following represent the top and front views of the given arrangements? Top and front views. So this is the front view. 1, 2, 3 grids in the bottom line. 1 grid in the top row. Identify the front and side views of the figure. Front view. First 2 square grids are visible and the next 4. This one. And side view. 1, 2, 3. So here B is the correct option children. Why? Here in the front view, first 2 square grids are visible and the next 4. But in the A option, first 4 are visible. So this is not correct. B is the correct option. Now come to the next page, page number 9 children. Sketch the mentioned view of the objects given below. So look that brick or box. You have to sketch the front view. And the speakers, you have to sketch the front view. And for that bottle you have to sketch the front view. That is the front view, you have to sketch the top view. For that book you have to sketch the side view. For the geometry box you have to sketch the top view. Next for this you have to sketch the side view. Okay children? Do yourself. Okay, these are the views children. For this is the top view. And for this speakers, this is the side view. For this is the top view like a circle. For this book, this is the side view. This is the top view and side view. Okay. Next page children. View the arrangement of cubes and find the number of cubes in each figure. You have to find out how many cubes are there in each figure. Okay. Let's start children. Look this. In the bottom row, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In the bottom row, there are 4 squares. Next in the second row, 1, 2, 3 plus 3. Next in the third row, 1, 2 plus 2. In the top row, only 1 plus 1. So total how many? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Like this, you will count and write the answers children. Look children, here in the bottom row there are 6 square grids. In the second row 3 and the top 1. Total 10. Next here in the bottom row 9, second row 2, top row 4, total 15. Here in the bottom row 7 and 1 in the top, total 8. Look here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here another one is there in the bottom 7. This one is in the top, total 8. Look here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the bottom and 2 on the top, total 8. Here also this side 3 and this side 3, this side 3. Okay children? And here 3 in the second row. 1 on the top. Total 13. Next page children. Identify the side view, front view and top view of these objects. So you already know the views of objects and identify and write the side view, front view and top view. Okay? Look children. This is the side view of car, front view, top view. Top view, side view, front view. Front view, top view, side view. Top view, side view, front view. It is very easy children. So write neatly. Come to the next page, page number 12 children. Here is the top view of an airport. How many aeroplanes are there in the airport? How many aeroplanes are there children? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So write the 6 in this box. Okay. Next one. Here is the top view of a bus station. What shape do the buses look like from top? If you are seeing from the top, how are they look like? They are look like rectangles. Okay, write the rectangle in the box. Okay, write like this children. Okay. Observe the top view of a house and answer the given questions. Observe the top view of a house. How many rooms are there in the house? Look children, how many rooms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen and 1 living room. How many rooms are there? Total 5. Write 5 here. Which shape does the balconies on right represent? Right side balconies are represent like in which shape? A rectangle shape. Write rectangle here. The number of planters means flower pots in the house is. How many number of planters are there in the house? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. The kitchen sink resembles the shape of a. The kitchen sink, it is look like a square. Write square spelling. There are dash wall paintings in this house. How many wall paintings are there? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 wall paintings. So write 3 here. Write the answers like this children. 5, rectangle, 7, square, 3. Come to the last page in the first chapter, that is page number 13 children. Draw 2 circles of different sizes, mark their centers, then draw their radii and diameters. So you have to draw 2 circles and mark the center and draw the radius and diameter. Okay? So these are the 2 circles and their radii and diameter. Okay children? You also draw like this. Next one. Reshmi built these solid shapes from 2D nets. Sketch the nets that you think she has used. Okay children, I think like this children. So do like this. Okay children, we will meet in the next class.